Hey, I'm Rick Grover, owner of Anglers Marine.
Jeff Woods.
Jeff Woods, best tournament director there is, and we're here to talk about the Anglers Marine Customer Appreciation Trail. And we have an upcoming event March 21st at Pyramid Lake. First time we've ever been there.
But big weights come spring here, right?
Big weights in spring. Fishing should be phenomenal. You know, they've never really had a big tournament circuit come there. We've been drawing somewhere in the range of 90 to 110 boats at every event. We're looking forward to a big one up there. Fishing should be great, but there's no tournament circuit like the Anglers Marine Customer Tournament Trail.
Nothing like it. I mean, if you're looking for a circuit that allows you to fish at your level, you want to be in with the pro guys, the guys that are really out here every day, you can do that. But if you want to be just a beginner and you want to be starting at a rookie level, we have that division for you too. And you'd be surprised. A lot of time our rookies are just as tough as our pros, but we pay in different divisions. We have a lot of fun. We do some on-the-water hot dog deliveries during the day. The anglers just absolutely love them, and it's a great chance for you to get into the sport of tournament fishing, and if you're a serious tournament fisherman, to really enjoy some good fishermen.
Yeah, and we also have incredible contingency programs that go along with ours. We have Ranger Cup money that we pay at every event. We have Triton Gold money. If you're a current Triton owner and you win one of our events, they all qualify $7,000 first place. Incredible money. We have Nitro Awards programs for the Nitro guys. We have something for everybody. But what we really have is we have no membership. Okay?
No membership fees.
So there's no membership fees that go into Never Never Land or somebody's pocket that you don't know where they go. There's there's absolutely a local fish off where we're going to give away a great Ranger boat that's worth a ton of money that anybody can win. Don't have to have a local advantage. Anybody's going to win that boat, and it's
single
a lot
entry
of fun.
fee. I mean, single entry fee where we don't have to deal with multiple options. So it's real easy and very simplistic.
A lot of fun. It's very well organized. You'll come fish with us. You'll see.
Hope we see you there.